Alright, it's that day again. Inventory reports should be coming out any second now. We had the numbers of yesterday with the after hours. Now we have the crude oil inventories coming out. Alright, so they're obviously out. See the jump. Blue number. Negative 9.4 million surplus. What's that? Negative drawdown, excuse me. Another drawdown in supplies. Right now the entry point would be, we'll see what happens right here. $52. Remove. $62.63. Back to settlement. Right about there looks right. That's where I wanted to try to get in. Alright, a 2P risk from 69 would be 89. A 2R risk. And the 6P target, 4194. Gann number is at 4202. We'll switch to the Gann number. Looking for it to get a little bit lower than here before we move. Lots of blue stacked up right here. All right, so we're going to go 5 off of the 79 of the 84, 83. Now we're going to go on the 79. In fact, we're going to go ahead and get to break even right now. So we got our Gann number here at 4203. It's 4202 today. That's our 137.5 degree angle, the magic number. If we can get a little bit of help today, we should be able to run that easy. Go ahead and lock in 3. All right, let's go ahead and lock in our 5. Don't want to see it come back. Want to see it get through S2 before coming back. So the low was posted, when was that? Right there. No, that's not the low. That's our exit point. The low right now is 42.21. It's right in somewhere around here. There it is, right there. That was at what, 8:24 this morning. Looking at the gold line right now, that's the only thing up here that we got. Any rest of them, this is a 100 bar SMA on a closing basis. That's the gold line. So looking back 100 bars, that's what it's telling you right now. Let's go ahead and lock in 10. Lock in 11. It's about as far as I want to get right now. Looking back over here. Maybe one tick below that at 57 might be as close as I want to get right now. This could rally up and then take off up too. That's what we're protected against right now. So honestly, knowing that things can do whatever they want, right? This could be the thing that happens. If we got some downward momentum to get down here past this 42.21 and see where we can go from there. Here's our 10-minute chart, what it looks like on the foundational chart. This green is turning around, almost getting ready to turn red here. Nice reversal bar. Pull this over. So once it gets below here, it should go red. There you go. See how it gets lower? This is a nice reversal bar on the 10-minute chart right here. This is good news if we can get it to close. Should be closing any second now. So we can get a nice close underneath here. There it is. There's your 10-minute reversal bar. So let's see how that plays out. That looks pretty good. So we're going to go right under this right here. That is 55. So we're gonna hold out at 55 now, 56, 54, somewhere in that area. All right, so let's 10p. We're going to follow behind. We're going to go 11, 12 behind where we're at right now. So that bring it down to 45, 44. We're maximizing out our potential here. We're going to follow 1R behind now. 1R behind is basically 11 ticks, 10, 11, 12 ticks behind. Eventually, yes, you will get stopped. We're after our Gann number. We're also recognizing that 4237 was the prior Gann number, the Gann 90-degree angle, and also where the S2 line is located. So I'm also watching for 50 ticks as well. Bust the low by 1. All right, coming down. Let's protect 4222. Call it 4223. All right, now let's protect 4221. Within 10 ticks of the low right now. Let's go to, let's come on down. Get on down. And we're out. Hit the Gann number. Awesome. See the red's coming in right here. To be as far as they let it go temporarily and move it back up the other way. It's a powerful number that you got. You got the S3 line down here, and also you got your magic number, Gann number. Doesn't mean it'll stop here. Let's be frankly honest. All I can tell you is that's a target number that people will trade off of. So you have two numbers coming down here that make it S3 and the magic number. If I could have stayed in it a little bit better, I think I'd still been knocked out right on that. Well, actually, probably that move, I don't know. I'm okay with taking the Gann number out any given day, though. The only way that I would obviously stay in this was if I had a trailer. There's some more. Look at that right there. You got the 5 showing up. There's 5 red bars above 1,000. Here's what that looks like on a 15-minute chart. So looking back, what we did is we went back into here, back into this supply area, and then it sold off. Now, I don't like trading the long below the S2 line. That was a nice little move there. We grabbed our target. We grabbed our it's only a couple good trades a week is what I end up telling myself, if you can find them. So here's the account balance sitting up here, closing in on 32,000 to move to the next level, which would be funded trader, excuse me, yeah, funded, what do they call that? Pro funded account. It's what I'm about 23 ticks away. Possibly could have 43. What did we get out at? 4203. Need 23. Been 93, 83, around the 79 mark to win today. There's where you would protect the 4203 line. Maybe. I don't know. I'm always happy to knock out that magic number on one contract. If it's the first time to it. All right, we'll be back later and see how this day finished out, or this session. Be back. All right, we're going to call it right now. As far as this, this is the CLPIT strategy off the inventory report. That was worth 66 ticks going to the magic number today. Obviously, there are some more available here. We have our offsetting volume coming in right in here. So this might be as far as they allow it to go, although it looks like it wants to go lower now. It's always hard to tell where a bottom's coming. But as we're exiting, I liked our exit point. And then we see push to 42.11 right here. And I certainly wouldn't want to be in that. So I'd have been knocked out. If nothing else, I'd have been knocked out on this move right here on at least one contract. Second contract, I don't know if I'd have fallen behind on this was the 50 bar line, excuse me, I call this the 100 bar line, but this is the 50 bar line. Here's your 100. Maybe the 100 keeps it on right now. But any significant move above the S3 line would knock you out right now on the trailer. But with one contract, I'd have definitely been out of this on this upward move right through here. Alright, so that's going to do it for this trade for today. It was worth 66 ticks on one contract, and I'm in striking range of moving to 32,000 with a little bit of luck. We'll see you on the next video I put together. This is Dave Knight here for 123 Day Trade. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. Bye for now.